You're watching KSG State Series. In this video, we are going to talk about the northeastern state of India, Mizoram. Facts collected are based on the questions asked in competitive examinations. We begin with a brief introduction to the state. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Boundary of Mizoram touches with Tripura, Assam, Manipur. International border is shared with Myanmar and Bangladesh. In 1959, Mizo Hills was devastated by a great famine known in Mizo history as Motam famine. The cause of the famine was attributed to flowering of bamboos, which consequently resulted in rat population boom in large numbers and became a plague to the villages. The Mizos were particularly dissatisfied with the government's inadequate response to the 1959-1960 Motam famine. The Mizo National Famine Front, a body formed for famine relief in 1959, later developed into a new political organization, the Mizo National Front or MNF, in 1961. A period of protests and armed insurgency followed in the 1960s, with the MNF seeking independence from India. In 1971, the government agreed to convert the Mizo Hills into a union territory, which came into being as Mizoram in 1972. Following the Mizoram Peace Accord 1986 between the government and the MNF, Mizoram was declared a full-fledged state of India in 1987. Now, talking about the geographical features of the state, the rivers in the state are Talong, Tlau, Chimtuipui, Khoplang Tuipui, Tuichang, and Tuirial. About the wildlife, Dampa Tiger Reserve occupies an area of 500 square kilometers and lies in West Mizoram in northeastern India along the border between India and Bangladesh. The hills and forests in this land of the highlanders are considered by biologists to be biogeographic highways connecting India to Malayan and Chinese regions. The rich, luxuriant rainforests of Dampa harbor several species such as the swamp deer, tiger, leopard, elephant, and hoolock gibbon. The Dampa Tiger Reserve is probably one of the last few safe havens for the tiger and a host of other animal and bird species. Other than Dampa Tiger Reserve, Mizoram has Murlen National Park, Phongpui National Park, Gengpui Wildlife Sanctuary, Konglung Wildlife Sanctuary, Lengteng Wildlife Sanctuary, Tawi Wildlife Sanctuary, Thorang Tlang Wildlife Sanctuary, Pual Ring Wildlife Sanctuary, Tokalo Wildlife Sanctuary. Wantawang Falls is a waterfall in Mizoram. Caves in Mizoram are Khuangchera Puk, Lamsial Puk. The main feature of this cave is a wooden box which holds about a cubic meter of densely packed and well-preserved human bones. The bones are estimated to be 300 years old. Luang Ti Puk is the second longest cave in Mizoram. Puk Zing Puk, Par Puk or Pine Cave are the others. Talking about the culture, we begin with the dances popular in the state. Number 1 is Khwalam. Khwalam literally means dance of the guests. It is a dance usually performed in the ceremony called Khwang Chabi. Cherao is another popular dance form. Sarlam Kai or Solakia is an impressive dance originating from the Pawi and Mara communities in the southern part of Mizoram. This dance is known as Sarlam Kai, whereas the Lushais refer to it as Ralulam. Chailam is a popular dance performed on the occasion of Chapchar Kut, one of the most important festivals of the Mizos. Chong Glaizon is a popular folk dance of one of the Mizo communities known as the Pawis. Chailam is a dance form that originated after the year 1900 on the lines of the songs known as Pumazai and the dance known as Tlanglam. Tribes in Mizoram are Chakma, Garo, Hajong, Lakher, Mikir, Pawi and Sinteng. Festivals of Mizoram: Meemkut, Chapcharkut. Now this is the most important traditional festival of the Mizos. Dressed in traditional attire, exuberant dancers dance to the tunes of traditional music. Popular Mizo dances include Cherao, Sarlamkai, Chelam and Kualam that are performed in this festival. Polkut is another festival. Now let us tell you some important facts about this state. Inner Line Permit or ILP is required for Indian citizens to enter Mizoram. The Kaladan Multipurpose Project is a very important project. When this will be implemented, it will connect Kolkata to Sittwe port in Myanmar and then further to Mizoram through river and road. Around 50% of the geographical area of Mizoram is under bamboo cover. Bamboo forests are most abundant in the 5 northern districts but are rare in the eastern and southeastern parts of the state, particularly in Champhai due to high altitude. Bamboo flowering takes place once every 45 to 50 years. The last flowering in the state took place around the first half of the first decade of 21st century. There are 3 autonomous district councils for Chakma, Mara and Lai people. Mizoram, with 88.93% of forest cover, has the highest forest cover in percentage terms. Mizo language has no script of its own. Majority of the population are Christian. About 80% of the people of Mizoram are engaged in agricultural pursuits. About 80% of the families at Nalan are grape growers. Mizoram is a mountainous region which became the 23rd state of the Union in February 1987. It was one of the districts of Assam till 1972 when it became a union territory. The highest peak in Mizoram is the Pongpui or the Blue Mountain with a height of 2,210 meters. The original garment of the Mizos is known as Puan. That's all we could pack in this edition of KSG State Series. Stay tuned for more such videos.